Stella. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making pumpkin muffins. Let's do it! 180 grams of all-purpose flour. 280 grams of pumpkin puree. A quarter cup of white sugar and a quarter cup of brown sugar. You'll also need a quarter teaspoon ground ginger, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1.5 teaspoon cinnamon, and a quarter cup of milk.